Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. And we had a little bit of a dump on the 1 hour chart on the S&P 500, a little bit green on the dollar. Dollar doesn't look that bad. Nasdaq looks the worst together with gold. Yeah, this is what we're seeing on a lower time frame for the dollar. This big resistance line. The more times it goes there, the weaker the resistance gets. Sorry. Yeah, I would like to see a big dump, and on the daily we still see this big trend line. We could connect it a bit further, but we see this big trend line that broke. Originally a trend line from the big gay. Yes, he's really called like that. I wouldn't call my son big gay. What about you guys? Please let me know in the comments. Yeah, I think in India it's a normal name. Anyway, this is a line we are seeing on the S&P 500. Tapped resistance over here, and we could be making a higher low over here at the moment. Yeah, I'm still expecting to go for the all-time high, but we could make a lower low if this one breaks. And then we should be finding support over here and take another load up to the all-time high, because I am expecting the all-time high to be touched. Today we had some FUD, fear and uncertainty. So yeah, what happened was the owner of OKX was arrested in China. He is Chinese, but the exchange is located in Hong Kong. So that caused some FUD. Also that caused some FUD because withdrawals from the exchange were suspended. And that is because he has the only keys together with his mom and his sister, I believe. So yeah, I'm not sure how is that gonna work out, but it caused some FUD and it caused a little bit of a dump last night, for me last night, since I'm in Europe, of course. So yeah, we dumped from over here. We had kind of a big candle, depends on which exchange you were on, of course. The others dump a little bit more than, I don't know. So yeah, I'm seeing this pattern on the 5-minute over here, which clearly has as a mid-range. You could see multiple things over here. This one you could see. You could see this one perfectly aligns with the VPVR, in my opinion. It's around $400, $11,400. And then we can clearly see this one over here with some tops on it. Say this one. So yeah, it is important for us to jump above 400 again. You could also see 450 as one with some taps on it over here as well. But let's say it's 400. So yeah, we are sandwiched between these horizontals. Breakout either side will send us back or send us further that direction, unless we are making a Darth Maul, of course. I'm still bullish, very much so. Also, funding is turning negative again on multiple exchanges. Bitmex, the current period is twice as negative as now. So yeah, as we can see over here, usually when funding turns negative, it is a good place to buy. So in my opinion, it's still a good place to buy. I'm really, that's the only indicator I am using, together with the dollar. That depends my direction. Lately I've been scalping based on the dollar and the S&P 500, and I'm doing very well. Also this week, smaller time frames, been looking at the correlations, trading based off on that, and I'm doing really well. So yeah, I'm still bullish. We can take a look at the weekly, remove everything. Let's go to the weekly. And the weekly is showing a little bit of a doji, meaning a reversal could be in, but I'm still leaning very bullish. Of course, we are still very bullish because this line broke. Let's turn the VPVR off. This is what I'm seeing. And we've broken this one. Something like this. So yeah, this is making me very bullish. Also, we have this line over here. And I am long from 10.5, aiming for around 13.8. And I'm expecting that to happen. I think I'm expecting that to happen before 10k, to be honest. We still have a little bit of a CME gap over here. It depends on which exchange you are looking at, of course, but we still have a little bit of a CME gap. They tried closing it over here. Daily isn't looking good at the moment, but I mean, I'm still bullish anyway. Ethereum between resistance and support right now. Right now on support, meaning buy it until it hits resistance again. Ethereum has been a little bit weaker lately. Could be because of the fundamentals. DeFi seems to be much scam. No, but if we look at it, the move Ethereum made this year compared to BTC, Ethereum did really well. Because right now they're still above last year's high. Last year's high was 360. Last year's high for Bitcoin was around 13.8, depending on the exchange you're looking at. So Ethereum is still compared really strong. Right now it's on support, so yeah, place to buy, I would say. Uni, important coin for the DeFi, I would say, or DeFi, whatever. Making a higher low over here compared to this one, so could be bullish. This being support. Here we have some resistance. I mean, you could lower it a little bit. You have a high end over here. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing for DeFi. It should be on support right now. A little buying opportunity. I'm not trading those. Link, not looking too bad in my opinion. Let's remove everything. Do I see something else? Remove drawings, everything. Obviously broke this trend line and making higher highs at the moment. I mean higher lows. This could be a higher low, could be good. They also broke some horizontals. This one held. This was one of the highs. They broke that, below it again, but not that big of a deal in my opinion. Yeah, it's not that bad. Link is looking to be trending up. Resistance coming up here, I would say. $13. It's ready, should take profit. Anyway, like I said, funding is negative. Current period is quite negative as well, as we can see over here. Look, we can see it over here. You can also go to Bitmex itself. I'll just always take a look. Funding negative means buying for me. So that's about it for today. I am playing longs right now for Bitcoin. I would say play a little long to around 400. And that's about it for today. I'm long till 13.8k. So see you guys again tomorrow and happy trading.